yeah. And found another siren. Hi, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you guys. Just like the AR timer, this is another thing I've waited for like a whole decade or longer to get. So, with no further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, say hello to my Federal Signal Model L Series A-3 Siren. Alright, I'm gonna switch on the top, which you don't usually see with Federal Signal Model Ls, but yeah, this is a very rare model. And so, the A3 series. So you have that there, and you can just flip this, and then it'll sound it off. I kind of like how this shows some age. It's pretty cool. I actually kind of like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Whemenoc out.